J-71698-2. We're accessing the drain through the main cleanout by the water meter. We're looking at a manhole termination at the city main. Counter is at about 57 feet upon entry into the manhole. Branch off of the manhole is 6-inch clay. Visible root penetration here at 57. This camera work is being done following a camera and root cutting that was done about a year ago. A year ago, most of these root penetrations were pretty well cut back, almost fully. So now this is the growth that has occurred in a year at the 57-foot mark. Very minor grow back. Roots here at these two joints that are close together at 50 and 51. These are kind of hiding behind a little bit of spider webs, but they're there at the bottom of the pipe. Currently is the upper right corner of the screen. This camera is not self-leveling. The roots are visible there on the upper left corner of the screen currently. And then right here, there's some very small root presence here, mixed in with these spider webs. Again, very little grow back over the course of the year. We have some persistent pooling water here visible. Downstream of the pooling water is at about 50. Pooling water persists through this section. If we go forward, we see pooling water here. So 50 is the downstream end. The upstream end is back here. Any of these rapids about 30. To 50 approximately. So we'll go back to the so starting back at 50, we'll concentrate on a couple other things as we come back. Roots here at 38. Again, not much of a significant growth in a year. This was a root growth noted last year. Not too much going on this year. However, we also see water penetration happening from the groundwater springing into the pipe during the rainy time of the year. Counter's at about 30 feet this year. Last year it was noted at about 29, but 30 feet. We have, again, root presence, but not minor amount of root growth over the year. Also here at 17 we have quite a significant influx of groundwater happening on this joint. We have some water running at the laundry tub to be able to keep the lens clear and observe flow characteristics. Access through the floor cleanout next to the water meter.